Yep.
Alright, so as you can see, we have designed our own overdrive distortion pedal, and I mean this is circuit, and as you can see, the input is going to come there on the oscilloscope, and right now we'll just turn on the volume, and you can see the input on the oscilloscope. Turn on the volume. So that's like the clean input, and now turn up the volume and you'll see that the output is also there. And that's the effect that we are getting out of our pedal. And right now it's at the softest clipping, and so it sounds somewhat like this. Now we're just gonna make it into a really hard clipping sound, which would sound something like